everyone. Okay, so I just did my skincare. The video should be up so you can take a look at that. Before I put on my last step, I like to do my hair while I wait for my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. While I wait for it to kind of set in, because I find if I put too many products on right after, it starts to pill. So I'm going to do my hair how I do my hair during the quarantine, if I do it. Otherwise it's in this bun. So I thought I'd just quickly show you. It's simple and it just kind of makes you feel like you're put together. So I washed my hair yesterday after I worked out. So I'm just going to quickly brush it out. Look at that hair growth. I mean, in person it doesn't look too bad to me, but we'll see what it looks like on camera when I edit this out. Luckily, I had decided to kind of try and grow out my natural hair color in January. So when I got my hair done, I got lowlights put in. Hair is combed out, basically section half of your hair. So half of your hair is sectioned, and then you're gonna split that in half. And then from that section, you're just gonna do 2 on each side. Ooh, it's pulling my hairs. Oh, I hate it better. So I'm using, I don't know what size this is anymore. I forgot. Just like your regular barrel. Any barrel will do, really, as long as you can fit your hair around it. So because you're taking bigger sections, it's not gonna curl as harshly. I have one with the clamp, but if you have a wand, that'll probably be better. I don't really care. Sorry if you're gonna see my armpits. And then basically, I don't like to wrap it flat. I want to make sure that it's like twisting around, so it kind of has that look around the barrel. But I do that by placing your wand, whatever you're using to curl your hair with, pointing down, and then as you go, you just twist around. And then you hold that. And you can kind of feel it getting warm. This takes the longest to kind of warm up because it is like a thick piece of hair. Let go and just drop it down. So it should look something like that. The thicker hair you have, the more sections you might want to do or not. Experiment. The great thing about being forced to stay home is that no one will see you. And you can do whatever you like. So same thing. Ah, it's hot. Okay. So same thing on the other side. I'm trying to remember that I have a double chin, so I'm like, don't do what you normally do, which is like,
no, look at it! Look at it!
So next part is taking your hair out of the last section, and sometimes I decide if I want to just curl all of this or I'll split it into another section, curl that part and then bring it down. But if you do that, your hair is going to be more wavy. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I'll decide later where I want my part to be. Now you can curl away from your face throughout the whole way, but during this last section here, I kind of like to mix it up. I'll curl towards and away from my face and alternating depending on what I feel like. In this section, since it's a lot more hair, I split it into 3, and this middle piece here will be curled towards my face. Oops, wrong way. Sometimes if I find it's frizzy, I like to drag my curling iron through my hair to kind of get the flyaways. And then this piece, I'm going to curl towards my hair, same twisting motion. The pieces up front, I like to kind of hold for longer so that it stays. And I leave the bangs out for last just because I don't know what side I'm going to keep it on. Again, 3 sections. So So as you can see, the curls, they're not spirally, they're more wavy. And at this point, if you want to use hairspray, you would hairspray it first before combing it out. Make sure you hold it from far away. If you ever find you're getting that crunchy feeling, it's because you're holding the hairspray too close to your hair. Just because I'm at home, I don't really care to. My hair holds curl pretty well. So I'm not gonna hairspray it today, but normally I would. And then before I brush it out, just because from doing my skincare and my retinol routine at night that I will post eventually, it's really oily and takes forever to soak into your skin. So basically it kind of travels up to my scalp and then makes my roots a little oily, even though I washed my hair yesterday. So I'm just using the Batiste dry shampoo. So I use this time to just kind of break up the waves. And as you can see, the pieces that I curled for just kind of give you that extra bounce in your body.
I definitely meant to say hair.
And bangs, you usually just like leave them like that or parted in the middle. No doubt this will end up in a bun at some point today. So that is my easy quarantine hairstyle that I like doing. Again, it's usually in that bun that you saw at the beginning of the video. More than this, but when I feel like kind of getting myself put together, this is what I like to do. Easy, and you know, as the days go by, it starts to kind of fall and it just looks more effortless. Excuse the face, I'm doing a whole skincare trial thing, so I don't want to put any makeup on. Don't even excuse it, there's nothing wrong with not wearing makeup. So thank you so much for watching this quick little hair tutorial. I hope you found some useful information from it. Let me know if you've tried something like this before, or what your favorite hairstyle to do during this crazy time in our lives. Otherwise, everyone stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.